So we are going to take this index card and I'm going to have you draw a diagonal line from one corner to the other on 2 of them. So you should have 5 cards. So we're just going to take one and I want you to draw a line so that your card looks like this. And notice I've added another base and a height over here because that's going to be important on what we're doing next. So let's add some things to our cards. We have the blue base, the red height. I've got another blue base and another red height. I've got my right angle up here and I've got my diagonal line here for my in an alternate color. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this twice. And I'm going to take my index card and I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I am going to cut along my diagonal line. So here we go. So originally my rectangle had an area of 15. So now I've got 2 triangles. What we're going to do is we're going to take these 2 triangles and we are going to take one of them and turn it over. So we are like this. So I've made myself a parallelogram. So remember that a parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So here's a pair of parallel sides, here's a pair of parallel sides. But remember that I keep talking about that base and that height and how they come together at a right angle. So my base is blue, my height is red, and so my base here measures 5. Even though this is part of something, that's okay. That's still the base. We're measuring this line here, not just the fact that it's a part of something. So that's my base and that's my height. So let's talk about this parallelogram. If I look at my parallelogram, I see that my base is 5, my height is 3, so my area is 15. So does that make sense? Yes, because the original index card was 15. And if I took it back apart the way it was, I haven't gotten rid of anything, I put it back together again, there, that's my 15. So the formula for the area of a parallelogram is base times height, because a rectangle is a parallelogram, so that's why that makes sense. So you're going to set this aside, and you're going to say that the area of this is 15, and you're going to fill that in on your chart for parallelograms. The base is 5, the height is 3, parallelogram, area 15, because it's still that original index card.